balls. Steel balls.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Hi guys. We're back.
We're gonna do another video for you guys since we've been
Not really uploading any.
Yeah.
So. And as you can see, this involves tissues.
we're
We're
gonna
gonna yeah.
Go.
Okay. We're gonna try to sneeze with our eyes open. Thanks to this one girl who made the video. We'll
We'll
put
put
that
a link
link.
up about her
Down there.
somewhere around here. And in the information bar, so you can get that.
You're gonna need a tissue if you want to try this.
Or pepper if pepper works better for you, but pepper didn't really work.
And you're gonna twist it up like this.
Long enough so it reaches your brain. Or poke it and prod it. Oh, squish.
Squish.
It's kind of like
This.
your brain.
Oh, by the way, this is Nikki. We shaved her face so it looks kind of weird.
Hi, Nikki.
Hey, Nikki.
Her face is cleaner than her body. Alright,
Okay.
attempt 1.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it tickles. It's not even going on my nose.
Eyes open, eyes open. Don't be Asian.
Your eyes were open.
They were, I felt it. Ew. I'm gonna try again. This is fun. Your eyes are closed.
Dang it!
Your hair is like, okay.
Dang it! Okay, one more time.
It's not working. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh god.
New tissue. This tickles so much.
Come on, Jessica. Okay.
It's coming, but it won't come out.
Okay, just right nostril, left nostril.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh my god. I didn't see that part.
Oh my god.
Okay, you're done.
I know. it's pea water.
It didn't work.
Don't make me laugh.
It was like. Oh my god, it's hot.
It's coming. It's coming. It didn't.
Open your eyes. Oh my god, looking at you makes me want to sneeze.
Did I open my eyes?
I wasn't looking at you.
I wasn't looking
Just the sound.
I think that's enough for me.
I feel sick now.
I know.
It didn't work again.
We just sneezed.
Wait, I want to try it. I haven't opened my eyes yet.
I haven't either.
Your eyes don't open.
Ouch.
I'm playing with balls.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. How did you do it?
What did they say? If you sneeze, it feels like.
I don't know. Does it?
Yeah, it feels like it.
That's not
Wait,
that's not that
sneezes?
great.
Wait, then that's not that great. Sneezes feel like orgasms?
Is that true?
I've heard.
Comment below and tell us your opinion whether a sneeze feels like an orgasm.
That's what I've heard.
Doubt it.
I
really
If
doubt
that's an orgasm, I'm gonna cry. That was nothing.
Oh, man. Oh, it made us scream. That's why people moan. Because it feels weird.
Wait, I'm gonna try this one more time because I can't open my
I'll be
eyes.
back.
Oh, dude, that feels good.
Gene.
Did you just sneeze?
It didn't work again!
Oh my god, I put these balls in your face!
Do that face, ready?
Stop!
It is.
What'd you do?
Oh my god, I can't wait to see this.
That's our attempt.
Yeah!
If
Alright.
you think you can do it, put a video response because I would love to see it.
Yeah, so would we. Just you.
Okay.
Bye!